Our planet is a masterpiece, a tapestry woven with countless threads of life. Nature.empires celebrates the beauty and complexity of our natural world, inspiring us to protect and preserve it for generations to come. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the slowest creatures on Earth. Did you know that there are some animals that move so slowly that you could literally walk faster than them? In this video, I'll be highlighting some of the most surprising and fascinating slow-moving creatures on the planet. Slowest mammal, three-toed sloth. The three-toed sloth surpasses even the slow loris in terms of leisurely movement, moving so slowly that moss can take root in its fur. This slow-paced lifestyle allows them to conserve energy, spending up to 20 hours a day resting, with a significantly lower body temperature than most mammals to further reduce energy expenditure. Slowest flying bird, American woodcock. Woodcocks, primarily ground dwellers, boast the slowest recorded flight speed at around 8 km per hour, 5 miles per hour. They prefer foraging for food on the forest floor at night, and although they can fly, they engage in aerial displays during mating seasons to demonstrate their abilities despite their natural inclination to stay grounded. Slowest reptile, tortoise. The tortoise is another iconic slowpoke, primarily due to its heavy shell and a diet that necessitates careful energy management. However, tortoises are surprisingly efficient walkers, using less energy relative to their body mass than many other slow animals. Slowest bony fish, dwarf seahorse. Dwarf seahorses are peculiar little fish that belong to the bony fish category, but they don't operate like your average trout. Instead of agile swimming, they rely on gentle motions and a prehensile tail for subtle movements, averaging a meager pace of 1.5 meters per hour. As both predators and prey, these miniature fish play a crucial role in their ecosystems while employing their slow pace for camouflage among aquatic plants. Slowest reef creature, starfish. Starfish, known for their many limbs, surprise us with their languid movement. As members of the echinoderm phylum, they exhibit radial symmetry, meaning they can have anywhere from 5 to 50 arms radiating from a central mouth. Despite their numerous appendages, they are notably slow, utilizing countless tiny sticky appendages to navigate their surroundings and hunt for prey. Their diet mainly includes sponges and bivalves, the only animals slower than they are. Observing their movements in sped-up footage reveals the vibrancy of their ecological role. Slowest ocean giant, ocean sunfish. The ocean sunfish, the heaviest bony fish, can swim at a maximum of around 3 km per hour but primarily relies on drifting with ocean currents. Its massive size and relaxed lifestyle make it attractive to numerous parasites, and it is often seen basking at the ocean's surface while being cleansed by seabirds. Slowest primate, slow loris. The slow loris may have some competition from sluggish friends, but it takes the crown for the slowest primate. These nocturnal creatures are marked by their leisurely pace and low reproduction rates. Their slow movements are less of a disadvantage, as they possess venom from glands in their arms that deters predators. This potent secretion can be harmful even to humans, showcasing the loris's unique survival strategy. Slowest insect, stick insect. While the 17-year cicada could claim the title for its prolonged developmental stage, stick insects dominate regularly moving insects with their slow, deliberate movements. By mimicking sticks and leaves, these insects can blend into their surroundings, moving so slowly that their motions resemble drifting leaves, helping them evade predators. Slowest mollusks, slugs and snails. Terrestrial gastropods, like slugs and snails, are legendary for their sluggishness. They move by coordinating waves of muscle contractions, covered in a viscous layer of mucus that facilitates movement, though this method is highly energy inefficient. For example, a banana slug typically travels no faster than 300 meters per hour. Their mucus not only aids locomotion but also serves as protection against threats, making slowness a strategic advantage. Slowest shark, Greenland shark. In the frigid Arctic waters, Greenland sharks find themselves living at a lethargic pace, typically cruising at less than 1 kilometer per hour. Their cold environment contributes to their reduced metabolic rate, leading to some incredible adaptations, including hosting parasitic crustaceans on their eyes. This slow, energy-saving lifestyle allows them to grow old in a challenging ecosystem. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new and interesting. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Until then, keep exploring the amazing world around you.